of this video is to teach our forward knee bend exercise, right? The goal here is to be able to teach the foot to pronate properly and to develop better motion of the Achilles tendon, okay? So for this one, what I'm looking for first and foremost is a tripod foot, okay? So one foot is back, or my target foot is forward. My weight is equally distributed between sort of my big toe, my small toe, and my heel in this position, okay? So I'm not excessively forward on my toes, not excessively back, all right? Now, when I do this exercise, I do want to put a little bit more weight in my heel to begin with here, okay? And what I'm going to do is drop my knee between my first and my second toe, okay? Sort of in that space, and then push it out. Okay, again, I'm keeping my weight a little bit more in my heel as I advance my body over my leg here. And as I do that, I'm kind of just pulling myself in without my toes coming off the ground. When I say pulling myself in, it's almost like I'm raising my toes, but they're staying on the ground. Okay, and when I'm doing that, what I'm feeling is my shin muscle doing a lot of work. And I'm also noticing that my heel, kind of this area of my leg here, my foot, is dropping down towards the floor. Okay, so again, from the side, it's going to look like this. You can see that my whole body is kind of advancing over. I'm not kind of leading with my knee. Coming over my big toe, or sorry, middle kind of big toe to the second toe, and then coming out. Okay, so now a couple of errors that you'll see in this. Number one, you'll come too far forward and your weight will shift into the front of your foot where we're looking to keep it in the back of your foot. Okay, if you find that your toes are bending a lot, okay, they're kind of like squishing on the ground, or you're getting like hammer toes, that means that I need you to keep your keep your weight a little bit more back in your heel when you do this. Okay, and a way to kind of teach this or to emphasize this would be to put your foot up on like a rolled up towel. Okay, this is going to help to kind of put your weight a little bit more in your heel. Okay, and that would be a good solution. And you know it's working because you'll feel more shin in that area. Okay, if you notice that your heel, your ankle area isn't dropping down like we want it to, what we can also do is put our heel up on the towel. Okay, that's going to give me a little bit more emphasis to drop down in that direction. But again, the whole name of the game is keep the weight in the heel a little bit more, drive forward, feel that shin doing work, and then push back out.